Hello, digital pioneers. Welcome back to another episode of Tech Time with Thomas. I'm your host, Thomas the Tech Guy, and today we are diving deep into the world of digital transformations. Now, if you have been following our series, you will know we have touched on several key components of this journey. Think back to our chats about DevOps, our deep dive into cloud migration, our spirited conversation on SQL versus NoSQL, and our journey through the realm of microservices. Today, we are weaving all those threads together to see the bigger tapestry they form. Okay, digital transformation isn't just a buzzword. It's a strategic imperative in today's fast-paced business world. But what does it truly mean? How do you navigate the complexities? And more importantly, why should it matter to you as a tech leader? Having led many digital transformation initiatives myself, from the journey to the cloud, migration to microservices, cloud data migration, and even more, I have seen firsthand the challenges, the triumphs, and the transformative power of these initiatives. And today, I am here to share those insights with you. So, whether you are in the midst of a digital transformation or just starting to consider it, this episode promises to offer a holistic view, connecting the dots from our previous discussions and shedding lights on the path forward. All right, let's dive right in. When we talk about digital transformation, it might sound like just another tech buzzword, but it's so much more than that. So let's break it down. At its core, digital transformation is about leveraging digital technologies to create or modify existing business processes, culture, and customer experiences. It's about evolving to meet the changing business and market requirements. But it's not just about technology. It's also about changing the entire way a business operates and delivers value to its customers. Imagine it as a metamorphosis where businesses evolve from traditional methods to modern, tech-driven approaches. It's not just about adopting new tech tools, but about fundamentally reshaping how an organization thinks, operates, and engages with its environment. Now, you might be wondering, why now? What's pushing businesses to embark on this transformation journey? Well, there are several driving forces. First, there is the rapid pace of technological innovation. Technologies like AI, Internet of Things, and cloud computing are advancing at breakneck speeds, offering businesses new ways to operate and innovate. Then there is the ever-evolving customer expectation. Today's customers demand seamless, personalized experiences. They want instant responses, tailored solutions, and the ability to interact with the businesses across multiple digital channels. And let's not forget about the competitive landscape. In today's digital age, businesses that fail to adapt risk being left behind. We have all seen or heard of industry giants who didn't evolve quickly enough and got overtaken by more agile, tech-savvy competitors. Lastly, there is a global factor. With the rise of remote work and global collaboration, businesses need a digital solution to operate efficiently across borders and time zones. So, in a sense, digital transformation is a response to a mix of technological advancements, changing customer expectations, competitive pressure, and the global nature of today's business world. It's a journey, and like all journeys, it comes with its challenges and rewards. But before we delve deeper, let's take a moment to see how all our previous discussions, from DevOps to microservices, fit into this grand narrative of digital transformation. They're not isolated topics, they're pieces of a larger puzzle that defines the modern business landscape. All right, we have talked about what digital transformation is, but let's get to the heart of the matter. Why should it be on your radar? Why is it such a hot topic in boardrooms and tech conferences around the world? Let's start with the comparative landscape. Remember our discussion on DevOps? It's all about speeding up software delivery and improving collaboration. In the digital age, customers expect seamless experiences and businesses are racing to meet these expectations. If you are not evolving, you are not just standing still, you are falling behind. Digital transformation isn't just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead. It's about leveraging technology like cloud migration, which we discussed in a previous episode, to offer better products, faster services, and a superior customer experience. Think about the companies that have disrupted entire industries with their digital-first approach. They didn't just adopt technology, they embraced it to redefine their business models. And that's the kind of comparative advantage we are talking about. Now let's talk about alignment. Modern businesses aim to be agile, adaptable, and customer-centric. Digital transformation is the bridge that connects these goals. It's about ensuring that your business process, models, and strategies are in sync with today's digital reality. And then there is the customer, the heart of any business. Today's customers are tech-savvy. They expect instant responses, personalized experiences, and seamless interactions across all touchpoints. By embarking on a digital transformation journey, businesses can meet and exceed these expectations, fostering loyalty and driving growth. Remember our spirited conversation on SQL versus NoSQL? That's part of this. Choosing the right database strategy can make a huge difference in delivering these seamless experiences. In a sense, digital transformation is more than just a tech project. It's a strategic move that aligns your organization with modern-day demands and sets you up for future success. And as we have seen in our journey through microservices, it's about breaking down complexities and ensuring agility at every step. Alright folks, let's dive a bit deeper. When we talk about digital transformation, it's not just about adopting the latest tech or jumping on the newest trend. It's a holistic approach that touches on technology, culture, and processes. Let's break it down. Remember our discussion on cloud computing and the benefit it brings, or our chat about the power of AI and Internet of Things. These are foundational tech components of digital transformation. By leveraging these technologies, businesses can innovate faster, deliver superior customer experiences, and operate more efficiently. And let's not forget about microservices and databases. They are the backbone of many modern applications, ensuring scalability and flexibility. But as we have discussed in our previous episodes, it's not just about the tech. There is a human side to all of this. Okay, change is hard, right? Especially when it involves shifting mindsets and ways of working. But for a successful digital transformation, it's essential to foster a culture that embraces change. This means training teams, upskilling them to handle new technologies, and creating an environment where innovation thrives. It's about ensuring everyone is on board and moving in the same direction. And speaking of direction and movement, let's talk about processes that guide us. Processes are the unsung heroes of digital transformation. Agile methodologies, for instance, allow teams to be more responsive and adaptive. And remember our deep dive into DevOps, continuous integration and continuous deployment ensure that software updates are frequent and seamless, leading to quicker feedback and improvements. So when we talk about digital transformation, it's this trifecta of technology, culture, and processes that come together to drive real impactful change. And as tech leaders, understanding and integrating these components is key to navigating the transformation journey successfully. Alright, folks, as we journey through the world of digital transformation, it's essential to recognize that while the rewards are significant, the path isn't without its challenges. And trust me, having spearheaded several transformation initiatives, I have seen these challenges up close. First up, let's talk about the human element. You know, we humans are creatures of habit. We get comfortable with the familiar, and any change can be unsettling. In many organizations, there is often resistance to adopting new technologies or methodologies. It's not just about introducing a new tool or process, it's about changing the very way people work. And that can be daunting. Remember our discussion on DevOps and microservices? These aren't just tech shifts, they are cultural shifts. And getting everyone on board is crucial. Next, we have the tech challenges. Migrating to the cloud, integrating AI capabilities, or even transitioning to a microservices architecture isn't a walk in the park. There are compatibility issues, legacy systems to consider, and the ever-evolving tech landscape to keep up with. And as we discussed in our cloud migration episode, it's not just about moving data, it's about ensuring everything works seamlessly in a new environment. Then there is the budget. Digital transformation, while a worthy investment, requires resources, both time and money. Not all organizations have the luxury of a flexible budget, and prioritizing where to invest can be a challenge. But as we have seen with the rise of scalable cloud solutions and the cost effectiveness of microservices, there are ways to navigate these financial challenges. Last, but by no means least, is security and compliance. As we move data and processes online, ensuring they're secure becomes paramount. And with regulations like GDPR in play, compliance can't be an afterthought. Remember our chat about SQL versus NoSQL databases? Data storage and management play a crucial role in ensuring security. It's a holistic approach where every component, every decision plays a part in the bigger security picture. In essence, while the challenges are real, they're not insurmountable. With the right strategy, mindset, and tools, organizations can navigate these hurdles and truly harness the power of digital transformation. All right, folks, let's take a real-world tour of how industries are embracing digital transformation. It's fascinating to see how different sectors are leveraging technology to revolutionize their operations. Starting with retail, we have all seen the shift from physical stores to online platforms, but it's more than just e-commerce. Retailers are harnessing AI for personalized shopping experiences, AR for virtual try-ons, and IoT for smart inventory management. Think about virtual fitting rooms, allowing customers to try outfits from the comfort of their homes. From shopping carts to stethoscopes, our next industry is truly transformative. Healthcare has seen a massive shift with the rise of telemedicine. Virtual doctor visits, especially during challenging times, have become the norm. Hospitals are using AI for diagnostics, and wearable devices are now monitoring patient health in real time. Imagine getting real-time health updates and advice all through a device on your wrist. Now, from health checks to checking accounts, the banking sector is undergoing a digital revolution. We are seeing a surge in digital banking, mobile wallets, and AI-driven financial advice. Think about instant loan approvals based on real-time financial health checks or AI-powered investment suggestions tailored to individual needs. From vaults to assembly lines, our next industry is all about innovation. Manufacturing is not just stepping into the era of Industry 4.0, but is already looking ahead to Industry 5.0. While Industry 4.0 focused on smart factories where machines communicate and make decisions, Industry 5.0 emphasizes the collaboration between humans and these smart systems. It's about bringing the human touch back to the manufacturing process. Imagine production lines where human creativity and machine precision come together, adjusting in real time based on demand, ensuring both optimal output and products tailored to human needs. And lastly, let's talk about the future of transportation. Transportation is evolving rapidly. We're talking about connected vehicles, smart traffic management, and predictive maintenance. Imagine traffic systems that adjust signal timings based on real-time traffic flow, ensuring smoother commutes. These insights show the breadth and depth of digital transformation across industries. It's truly a testament to the power and potential of technology in shaping our future. All right. So we have talked about the what and the why of digital transformation. Now let's get into the how. How do you ensure that your digital transformation journey is a success? Let's dive into some strategies. It all starts at the top. Without the support and commitment of senior leadership, digital transformation efforts can easily go astray. Leaders set the tone, allocate resources, and most importantly, they can champion the change, ensuring that the entire organization is aligned and moving in the right direction. And while leadership is crucial, there is another aspect that's equally important. That's right, the customers. A successful digital transformation is always centered around the customer. Let's consider a hypothetical example. Imagine a retail company that's been operating with traditional brick and mortar stores. They notice a shift in customer behavior. More and more customers are shopping online and they expect seamless, personalized shopping experiences. To cater to this, the company decides to undergo a digital transformation. They invest in building a robust e-commerce platform, integrate AI-driven recommendations to personalize shopping, and use data analytics to understand customer preferences. The result: increased sales, happier customers, and a competitive edge in the market. Whether it's migrating to the cloud to ensure better service uptime or adopting microservices for faster feature rollout, always ask, how does this benefit the customer? Absolutely. And that customer focus needs to be paired with the mindset of continuous evolution. The digital landscape is ever evolving. What's relevant today might be obsolete tomorrow. Organizations need to foster a culture of continuous learning. This means regularly upskilling employees, staying updated with the latest tech trends, and being agile enough to pivot when necessary. Speaking of agility, it's not just about technology, it's also about collaboration. Digital transformation isn't just an IT project, it's a business-wide initiative. Successful transformations occur when IT and business units collaborate closely, ensuring that technological changes align with business goals. It's about breaking down silos and working together towards a shared vision. To sum it up, successful digital transformation is a blend of the right strategies, the right technologies, and most importantly, the right mindset. It's about being proactive, adaptive, and always keeping the customer at the heart of every decision. Okay, digital pioneers, as we wrap up today's deep dive into the world of digital transformation, let's take a moment to reflect on what we have unpacked. We have journeyed through the very essence of digital transformation, understanding its strategic importance in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. We have seen how it's not just about technology, but also about culture, processes, and most importantly, people. Remember our discussion on DevOps, cloud migration, SQL versus NoSQL, and microservices? All these topics, all these technologies and methodologies, they're not just isolated trends. They are integral pieces of the digital transformation puzzle. And as tech leaders, it's our responsibility to see how they fit together to drive innovation and ensure our organizations remain competitive and relevant. To all the CTOs and tech leaders tuning in, I can't stress this enough. Embrace the digital transformation journey. Lead the charge. The future belongs to those who are prepared to reshape, reimagine, and reinvent. And with the insights and strategies we have discussed today, I'm confident you're well equipped to steer your organization towards a successful digital future. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Time with Thomas. I appreciate your time and I hope you found our discussion insightful. Remember, the digital world is vast and ever evolving. Together, we will continue to navigate its many facets. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries and stay ahead of the curve. Take care.
South Australia I was born, and South Australia round Cape Horn. Bound for South Australia.